Marco Tijerina has been an aircraft technician with United Airlines for 15 years. His daughter Samantha is now following in his footsteps. Aviation Week caught up with the Tijerinas at the Aerospace Maintenance Council's competition at MRO Americas this year. Marco was competing for his 6th time, and Samantha was competing for the first time with her school, Chenault Aviation Maintenance Academy.
So my dad wanted to be an aircraft mechanic. He wasn't able to do it, but when he mentioned it, it got me thinking, and he used to take us to the airport, just watch airplanes take off and land, and like, that's a good idea. So I followed it. I was a mechanic already, auto mechanic and motorcycle, so that was my next step, and it's been great.
Yeah, I've been very fortunate that my dad's worked in aviation my whole life, so just growing up in the industry and seeing how amazing it's been, it was really truly inspiring. It wasn't until high school when I graduated that I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. My dad had a serious conversation with me. He said, aviation's always been good to this family. It's kept food on the table and a roof over your head. If it's what you know and if it's what you like, go for it. And then I truly decided, aviation is my passion, and seeing the passion that he has for it and what he's embedded in me and my sister, it was the only choice, really. Ever since I found out I was joining the skills team, my dad and I have had conversations pretty much every day leading up to the competition, at home, at the dinner table, talking about all of our events in general. And it turns out we had 3 of the same events this year, so it was extra special, and he was able to give me all of his tips and tricks. It helped me definitely in those events. Our first event was the E-drill, and we were neck and neck for a little bit, and then ultimately Dad pulled through for the win.
It was our first event, and it was head-to-head, so it was wonderful.
The United base team, they've all helped me, they've helped my team as well. Anywhere I looked, if there was a United guy there, they were cheering me on, helping me out, giving me pointers. Not everybody knows about aviation maintenance. I know a lot of my friends in high school, they didn't know about the career field, and they didn't know how easy it was to get into it. Everyone thought you had to have an in the aviation industry. No, the aviation industry welcomes everybody. Anybody, all walks of life and all different backgrounds, whether it be automotive, like my dad said, boats, whatever it is. Even if you don't have technical, knowledge, everyone's here to help. Everyone wants to succeed. At the end of the day, everyone's going to be working side by side with each other. So there will never be a time where nobody will want to help you. Everyone is always willing to help answer these questions. So it's really all about, taking the risk and, joining the amazing industry. It feels a little daunting at first, but once you make that first connection, that connection will lead you to another, and next thing you know everybody.